Yeah, let's go to show the patriarchy how to have balls. Hello, Sexies. My name is Renata Pop. I'm 30 years old. I want to start my transition now with hormones. So I'm going to this urgent and primary care center to ask for a referral because there's like a process to start hormones. It's also called HRT, which means hormone replacement therapy. I'm going again because last time they told me that they couldn't help me. They sent me to TransBC, which is like another organization that guides trans, non-binary, and people which are not comfortable with their gender assigned at birth. So I'm going again and I'm going to ask for a referral. A referral is like a pass you get to an endocrinologist because it's very important to have like a professional looking at your hormone journey. Hopefully they will give me the referral I need in order to become a biological girl. Okay, so just for the record, before going to Rich Clinic the very first time, I already had contacted TransBC, Rainbow Refugee, and my other trans girls that live in Vancouver, and all of them told me that I should go to Rich Clinic, which is an urgent and primary care center. But I live in Port Coquitlam, and going to Rich Clinic, which is in downtown Vancouver, would take me like 3 hours just to go and come back home. So yeah, I went all the way to downtown Vancouver just to be told that they couldn't help me and that I had to contact TransBC once again. So I did that, and they told me that Rich Clinic was indeed the place to go and ask for hormones, but that I had like another option that was going to another urgent and primary care center. So I looked for one that was closer to me. So it was the Rich Meadows Urgent and Primary Care Center, and by the time I got there it was around like 6 or 5 p.m. so all the nurses were already full that day. So they told me to come back the next day like early in the morning so I could have a spot. So I gave them a call the next day, and they told me that they couldn't help me because I needed to have a family doctor, so the doctor could refer me to an endocrinologist. But since I don't have a family doctor because I'm an immigrant, I would have to wait up to 6 months so a doctor could accept me as their patient. So that would take a lot of time, and it was affecting my mental health. So I had to talk to TransBC again, and they told me to go back again to Rich Clinic and that they would make a call so they could be prepared. So thank you to Mark from TransBC. Yeah, let's go to teach the patriarchy how to have balls. When I was on my way to Rich Clinic, I received a phone call from Mark from Transcare BC, so I had to get off the train and answer his call, and he told me that if I encountered any challenge through my visit to the clinic, I shouldn't hesitate to call him so he could guide me on what to say to the clinic staff. And honestly, I felt very supported, and it was an amazing feeling because I've never felt this kind of support like back in Mexico. So thanks again, Mark from Transcare BC. Oh my god, I'm so happy because I got the referral I needed. I just got out from the clinic and they were really supportive. Dr. Mir was amazing, and like yeah, I got the referral I needed, and now I'm going back home. So yeah, thank you for coming with me like in this journey, and I appreciate you a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, see you later, bye.